Hello and welcome to our new Divi tutorial. Today is our topic about how to scroll a text like this. It is simple HTML property. You can add and scroll the text. So how I do it? I open a demo page for this and add a module of text, and here I add the property. The property is marquee, 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 and close this property, MARQUEE, marquee. Okay, let's design it a little bit. Oh, my favorite font is Poppins, and capitalize it. F, okay, black. Okay, so this is the thing you want to do it. Okay, thank you, and please like and subscribe for the next video.